Hello, this is Shritama Dasgupta. Welcome back to the challenge series of Ivy Professional Schools Visualization Internship. This is challenge 2 with the same dataset as that of challenge 1, which is the retailers table and the sales table. The question is, which product category contributes the highest profit to sales ratio? For this challenge, we have created three measures: total profit, total sales, and profit to sales ratio. For total profit and total sales, we have used SUMX, which is an iterator function. For example, in case of total profit, what it is doing is, it is calculating the profit per unit multiplied by the units sold for each row and then summing up all the results. Lastly, we have profit to sales ratio. We have divided the above two measures with the help of divide function. So coming to the visual, I have dropped product category and profit to sales ratio in a table. Now above this, I have applied a filter, which is I have taken the top one by profit to sales ratio. So as a result, this showing me the product category which is having the highest profit to sales ratio. In this case, this is men's street footwear. So that is it for challenge 2. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next challenge.